to a video with my puppet. Wait, that was like a So this video is basically me and my dog playing around. And it's just like secret footage. Look at this. How about doing play a video game? Please? Come here. Hey guys, it's here. I might have been upside down. That's just because I forgot. I'm eating some spearmint gum. My and Dad's finishing up bowling back here. They put me this way. Come here. Pops. Okay, this video is super where I am. And that's the reason Jill's got unlimited bubbles. She's in every single video. And there's Bubbles. She's confused. And that thing right there, it's supposed to be on this side. It's usually on the other side, but since I'm using the mirror, it's on the other side. Alright, Bubbles. I have no idea what TV's on. Well, he is kicking butt, so. Wait, I'm just petting her whiskers and she's. I think you want me right back. Do you think I edited this to make her like this? Nope, I'm not saying Papa. That's why I have a book. Everyone, buy this book. People who watch my videos, you've got to buy this book. It's called I'm a Good Dog in big gold letters. And Pitbull's America's Most Beautiful and Mr. Pet. People think that they're always mean. You're wrong. If you treat them mean, they'll be mean. If you treat them nice, they'll be nice, right? Even after reading Bubbles, she's so sweet. And if she tries to bite you at my last video, which was today, it's called What to Do When You Are Bored. pretty cool. And if you come to my house, it's in the description below that video. I'll let you play with bubbles and hang out. We can do a collab, and my brother, you can meet my brother, my mom, dad, because they're always going to be home, and my best friends. Or you can come into me where your house is so I can visit. But it's got to be in at least Westover Park, Rabbit Circle, Westover Park, Countryside. It has to be in Friendswood in League City. Okay? And I'm going to show you some tips of how to not be scared of my dog. So let's do this. So the first tip is to put your hand, like, do that, like, slap her. Like, don't slap her, just slap her hard, just do this. Boop. And tap her, just tap, 2 taps. Do it 10 times. And then you can put your in her mouth and she will try to get it out because she's nice. Plus, play with her. Plus, read a page from this book. Read the back. Just read a little bit of the back because that dog looks like my dog. And plus, you will get to see my house. I'll let you have a tour of my house. And you can do a collab. And watch this. Bubbles, get it. Up. Yes, okay. Give me that. And here are some bloopers. Hey guys. Wait. Hey guys, it's Hannah. Wait. Let me get the good lighting. So if you want to meet me, we can do a collab. Okay, so that was the bloopers. So please comment where your house is or if you want to meet me.